Rule number 2. General definition. For the purpose of this rule, accept where the context otherwise requires. A. The word vessel, including every description of watercraft, including non-displacement craft of seaplanes, use the cable of the being used as a meaning of transportation on water. B. The determined power diving vessel means any vessel propelled by scenario. C. The term sailing vessel means any vessel under sail provided the propelling machinery, if fitted, is not being used. The term vessel engaged finishing means any vessel finish is net lines, throws, or other finishing apparatus for the restrict maneuverability but does not including vessel fishing with trolling lines or other fishing apparatus which do not restrict maneuverability. E. The words seaplane, including any aircraft designed to maneuver on the water. F. The term vessel is not under command means vessel which through some reputational circumstance unable to maneuver as required by these rules and it therefore unable to keep out of the way of other vessel. G. The term vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver means a vessel which from the nature of the work is restricted in the ability to maneuver requirements by these rules and therefore unable to keep out of the way of other vessels. The term vessel restricted in their ability to the maneuver vessel, including but not be limited to I. A vessel engaged is lying, servicing, and picking up a navigation marks able to pipeline. A vessel engaged in digging, surveying, and other water operation. A vessel engaged is replenishment of transferring person provision of cargo while underway. A vessel engaged in the launching is recover our aircraft. A vessel engaged to main clearance operation. A vessel engaged is towing operation such as to restrict to one vessel and her town in their ability to deviate from this course. H. The term vessel constructed by two means is power driving vessel which because the relation to the available navigation waters will restrict in her ability to deviate from the course of she is following. F. The words underway means that vessel is not at our shore or made fast for the shore or ground. G. The word length and breadth is a vessel means length over the greatest breadth. K. Vessel shall demand to be a site or another way only one can be reserved usually from the other. One the term restricted visibility means any condition is which visibility is restricted by fog means feeling snow, having a storm, sandstorm, or any other similar